Now we've just went over some of the terminology of polynomials, and we also have some very special names for some particular polynomials. For instance, a polynomial that only has one term is called a monomial, and a polynomial that has, let me do that, highlight that, and a polynomial that has two terms is specifically called a binomial. If we have three terms, we call it a trinomial, and everything else is just called a polynomial. So those are the only three things that you have to really remember there. Now let's work a problem, or some problems, and see what they want us to do here. The first thing that we're going to do is just identifying degrees of polynomials, and then we're going to decide whether it has a special name or if it's none of those. It's a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial, or nothing special. So let's look at this first. We have a polynomial because, remember, our polynomials have no negative exponents and no fractional exponents. So this is a polynomial. The highest power of the variable is a 5. So even though this is written in the wrong order, that's okay. This would still be a degree 5 polynomial. Now, because it has 1, 2, 3 terms, then this has a special name of trinomial. Okay, we're going to do a few more here. Alright, looking at this one, we want to know what is the degree here. So looking at the highest power of the variable, which in this case is m, looks like the highest power would be 3. This is a degree 3 polynomial. Now it has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. We don't have a special name for a 4-termed polynomial. So this, according to their directions, would be none of these, or the best way to say is it's just a polynomial. Okay, let's look at this one. This is a polynomial. It is a constant term, but that's okay. It does have a degree here. And do you remember when we talked about that even though we don't see a variable here, there technically is one? That would be an x to the 0 that's technically there. So this is actually a degree 0 polynomial. And because there is only one term, then that has the special name of monomial.